My name is Dave. And I got issues. You probably know this already. Now, you've seen your hams. You've seen Heavenly Ham. You know, you stand in line all day, look like a welfare line to get a ham. But it's just a ham. That's all it is. It's just a hook and ham. How often have you seen a ham with Moschino cherries on it? I said Moschino. Drink cherries. We're going to drink this ham when we're done. And we're going to call it Hamtini. 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 I want no apple tea. I want Hamtini. Now, I want you to prepare yourselves for the ham of the year. Pineapples. And you're not ready. You think you're ready for this ham. You're not ready for this ham. I don't care if you don't eat pork. If you don't eat pork, if you don't eat swine, you're going to like this ham. I'm converting Muslims today.
You're going to get chased down the block.
I give you Hamtini. Hamtini. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. There's so many pineapples you can't even see the ham. The ham don't know what he is at this point. The ham is cross-dressing. It's a cross-dressing ham. This ham is, I mean, this ham is theoretically correct. This ham has Mac makeup on. It's Mac-tini. Mac-tini. Ham-tini. The stuffing ingredient. Look at the ham. Look at ooh. I hope this get a million hits. This should get a million hits. Look for this. Oh, y'all think I'm playing. Friday, this is going to call Hamtini.
Oh my God.
Wait, do you want to meet the person who created Hamtini? Yeah. Do you want to meet the person that created Hamtini? They're not ready. America, they scared of us. They scared of us, America. So you know what it is. It's your boy Dave. Till next time, new vids daily. You know what it is. Subscribe today. Dave's Got Issues on YouTube. Peace. Oh, you ain't going along on the MySpace? MySpace.com/InwardSmile. Click on Inward Smile. You need that in your life. You know what it is. Peace. Hamtini.